Hari Om. So today's video I'm making while I am in this beautiful place about 8,500 feet high opposite Deoria Tal Lake, which is in Uttarakhand, and I could do this trek I think at the age of 70 because I practice yoga. So today we will understand very briefly what is Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini, the word, is a combination of two words, Kund and Alini. Kund means a deep pit and Alini means embrace or coiled. So this Kundalini Shakti is sleeping latent deep in your body at the below the base of the spine, and it is coiled like a snake 3.5 rounds around a black Shivalingam with its head poised upwards, ready to awaken and move up as you do your Kundalini yoga practice. And as it moves up along the spine, it awakens 6 different chakras. Important to know the theory because practice without theory is lame and theory without practice is blind. Stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om. That's it.